Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create user profile in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to setup. After that, we need just to click on setup and then you will need to go to the quick find so we can find all the profiles that we have in our organization, and from there you will be able to create profile and assign them to users. So simply, I'm just going to search for profiles, and here we will find these profile. I'm just going to create a new one by clicking on your profile, and then you can inherit from some existing profile and give it a name. I'm just going to click on save, and then we will need to start adding the permissions and all the modifications that you want to add to this profile. So first we have the standard object layout that you can assign in all for this profile, and down you can find the field level security or the standard field security, and you can see, for example, for this account all the access that you have using this profile, either only its read access or the edit access, etc. Then you can also go down and start adding permission sets to this profile. So basically here you can also add access to flows, definition access to metadata, etc., etc. And from there you can start uh, enabling custom permissions, and at the end you will need just to save all this, and after that you will be able to assign these profiles to your users. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.